Sugar Astronaut presents Spanish Made Easy.
Hello everyone, this is the first vlog of the year. Let's see what we can learn. But before, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, let's see what we can learn today. Okay, this seems interesting. Países and nacionalidades. So this means countries and nationalities. So it looks like we're gonna learn how people in Spanish say different countries and nationalities. Okay, let's see the first one. The first one says China. China is the country, so that means China. And the nationality is Chino. Chino is masculine, or to refer to a man from China, or China, that is feminine, or to refer to a Chinese woman. So, un chino, una china. Okay, now let's see the next one. Francia. Francia means France, and the nationality is un francés, that's masculine, or una francesa, that's feminine. Un francés, una francesa. Now the next one is Estados Unidos. Estados Unidos. That means USA, or the United States. So now you know that the first nationality I say from a country is to refer to a man and from that country, and the second one is to refer to a woman from that country that we're talking about. Okay, so un estadounidense or una estadounidense. Okay, so the other one is Canada. Canada. That's Canada. The nationality is un canadiense and una canadiense. Now the next one is Inglaterra. Inglaterra. This is the UK. The nationality is un inglés, una inglesa. Okay, the next one is Grecia. Grecia is the country, and Grecia means Greece, and un griego and una griega. So that means that's the nationality. Okay, so far so good. Brazil. Brazil means Brazil, and the nationality is un brasileño, una brasileña. The next one is Alemania. Alemania. That means Germany. The nationality is un alemán and una alemana. The next one is Rusia. Rusia. Rusia is Russia, and the nationality is un ruso or una rusa. The next one is Italia. Italia. This means Italy. The nationality is italiano or italiana. Un italiano, masculine, una italiana, feminine. Mexico is, in Spanish, México. México. And don't forget the accent mark on top of the letter E. The nationality is un mexicano or una mexicana. Mexicano masculine, mexicana feminine. Spain is España. España. The nationality is un español, masculine, or una española, feminine. Japón. Japón is Japan. And the nationality is un japonés or una japonesa. Okay, the next one is Australia. Australia. That's Australia. And the nationality is un australiano or una australiana. The next one is Países Bajos. Países Bajos. This means Netherlands. The nationality is un holandés or una holandesa. Irlanda. This means Ireland. Irlanda. And the nationality is un irlandés or una irlandesa. The next one is Suiza. Suiza is Switzerland, and the nationality is un suizo or una suiza. Hungría is Hungary, Hungría, and the nationality is un húngaro or una húngara. The last three countries are Escocia. Escocia. Escocia is Scotland, and the nationality is un escocés or una escocesa. Now, let's see the next one. It says Corea. Oops. Corea del Sur. Corea del Sur. This is South Korea, and the nationality is un surcoreano or una surcoreana. And the last one is Portugal. Portugal. This means Portugal. And the nationality is un portugués or una portuguesa. Okay, so this is pretty helpful actually. I'm gonna leave the link to this down below. It looks like this is from littlelanguagesite.com. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and remember that lessons are uploaded every single week. I'm pretty much uploading a video daily, so don't miss out and subscribe. Also click on the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I'm on Facebook, Google+, Twitter, Instagram, Periscope, Snapchat. All the links are in the video description. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Also by visiting my Patreon page. There are different perks when donating. Click on the Patreon logo on the screen for more information. And I'm leaving a link to that page in the video description. Thank you for watching, for your support, and I'll see you next time.